We heard from Dr. Braden, and she called it abhorrent, I'm quoting her words, abysmal, the quality assurance and quality control systems in place or non-systems in place for the manufacture of these injectable products, the mRNA products. They're not just deficient in complete RNA, they're heavily contaminated with truncated mRNA, double-stranded DNA, circular plasmids, which are replication competent, in other words, they can reproduce themselves, potential endotoxin producing E-Coli, and DNA with a high rate or potentially entering the human genome through cells in particular with high rates of division. Now, I don't know about you out there, but to me, that sure doesn't sound like something people should be getting injected into their bodies. Abhorrent and abysmal quality controlled substances with unresolved issues, untested issues, and potential horrific consequences, not just in this generation, but in succeeding generations.